Institutions with an international education agenda elect to seek global collaborations for a variety of different reasons. The humanitarian reason involves bringing American values and a premier post-secondary ed system to areas of the world that would benefit from democracy and a collectivist ideology of social justice. For example, an American presence introduces how democratic decisions are made, an atmosphere or critical thinking, problem solving. All of these are used to utilize and train, for the most part, future leaders. Students are introduced to managerial and technical expertise. Also, new leadership opportunities for women are encouraged. Security-minded visa policies made recruitment of international students increasingly more difficult, especially after 9/11. Global collaborations opened the door to facilitate students attending American higher ed institutions for a semester or longer, by first training them in their home country and then helping them to develop an English language proficiency. For example, the same recruitment-minded philosophy has been practiced for years through dual credit programs. Institutions will offer college credit to high school students at a reduced cost, with the hope of matriculating enrollments at their institution once high school students become college ready. This same philosophy is used for international students through global collaborations. Another reason, collaborations offer an experiential learning component beyond that of study abroad. International branch campuses and shared or joint programs offer American students the opportunity to intermix with international students rather than participate in a standalone program. Faculty benefit through enriched cultural context in a couple different ways. First, American faculty are able to collaborate with international faculty to develop an academic curriculum that offers more broadly defined global perspectives in a particular discipline. Faculty are also able to advance a collaborative research agenda with international faculty that is unrestricted by an Americanized frame of reference. The beautiful attribute to these collaborations is the organic nature for which they're derived. For example, over the last couple decades, India has experienced an economic boom as a result of global companies establishing customer service hubs throughout the country. Now, India restricts international universities from establishing branch campuses in their country. This is widely known. However, joint academic programs do exist. For example, UCLA School of Management has received international recognition for its ability to adapt highly successful managerial styles and concepts to the Indian culture. The existence of this collaboration has served a regional need, while broadening the global influence of UCLA School of Management back in the States. Let me give you another example. American universities have a broad global reach. As a result of its placement in countries like Egypt, Lebanon, American faculty and graduate students have had the opportunity to participate in revered research, along with academic disciplines in the areas of archaeology, anthropology, sociology. And this is remarkable if you consider the restrictions and international legality involved. The fact that we can have a presence in these countries is noteworthy.